How to deactivate Messenger from Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2 step. If you're trying to deactivate your Messenger account, in this video let me show you how it's done. Now the thing that you need to know is that you cannot deactivate your Messenger only. Once you deactivate, both your Facebook and Messenger will be deactivated. There is only an option of deactivating your Facebook instead of deactivating Messenger, but in the case of Messenger, you cannot keep Messenger only without deactivating Facebook. So make sure that you keep that in mind, and let's head over to the Facebook app. Once you're on the Facebook app, tap on the menu on the top right. From here, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, and then on the search bar, search for access and control. Tap on the access and control option. Tap on deactivate and deletion, and make sure you choose the deactivate account option instead of delete, and tap on continue. In the next step, you'll need to enter in the password of your Facebook for security. In the next section, you'll need to choose a reason of deactivating your account. So choose any reason and tap on continue. Now lastly, it's going to show you a section of reactivating your account. So if you want your account to be reactivated automatically, you can pick these number of days. If you want to reactivate it on your own, you can tap on don't reactivate automatically and tap on continue. Now lastly, you'll need to scroll down and tap on deactivate my account, and this way first of all your Facebook will be deactivated. Now once your Facebook is deactivated, you'll still be able to use Messenger. Now in order to deactivate Messenger also, you will need to open up your Messenger app, tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on the settings icon on the top right, and if you scroll down from here, tap on legal and policies, and once your Facebook has been deactivated, you'll have an option here called deactivate Messenger. You can just tap on that option and deactivate your Messenger as well. Now once your Facebook and Messenger have been deactivated, make sure that you reactivate it within 30 days. If you don't do that, your Facebook and your Messenger will be completely deleted after 30 days. So that was the exact video on how to deactivate a Messenger from Facebook. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.